Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I have these two cars that I wanted to show you. First of all, it's this Baja Beetle made by Maisto. It's a very simple car. You have no interior, only this black window. The paint scheme is very nice though. This yellow car is very nice. I wish it wasn't in this bad condition. Another car that I found today, flea market, is this Jeep. This one going to be a very special car, but I'm going to customize it later on. First of all, I will restore this Beetle, and I think I'm going to let go on this color, although it's very nice. It is chipped and I want to restore the entire car, so I'm going to change that. About this one, I will leave it this way this time, and I will do something with it maybe in a few days. So about this bug, I want to change the base of the car, and in order to do so I have this Matchbox base which has this off-road bumper at the front, and I think I'm going to use this one instead of the original one, which as you saw is a little bit broken. So first of all I have to make some changes to this base. I have to cut few parts in order to fit it onto the Beetle's body. It may sound crazy, but the distance between the holes fit perfectly to the distance between the posts, so I think it will be fine for this car. It is starting to look okay, but I have to take off another part here at the back because it gives the car too much of a lifted appearance. Now I can test the base and see if it fits better than before. Let me now check this out. Starting to look okay, but I think I have to cut more. Okay, I think it is okay now, and I will move on for painting this body. Today I wanted to show you how I paint with nail polish. I have this metallic nail polish here, and as you see, I'm giving this car a few coats of this color. It is a very high quality one, and at the end of this video you will see the car. It will be shiny. Of course, I'm going to add some decals and clear coat. I was asked by a few of my subscribers what kind of paint I'm using. So I'm using many kinds. I'm using airbrush, but that's rare. I use rattle cans for the most part. Also enamel colors, and on some rare occasions I use nail polish colors. The best thing about using nail polish colors is that this paint finish is very strong and durable. You can hardly chip this paint after it cures out completely. So now, after applying the decals, it is time to show you the car. Here it is. After adding this plastic roof rack I've taken from a Matchbox car, at the back I've added this exhaust pipe, and the wheels were taken from a Maisto dump truck. The bumper was painted in silver color, and I've added tiny little bit of rust spots here and there at the bumper and also on the exhaust pipe at the back. The paint was coated with clear coat after applying those decals. As you see, it's shiny and metallic. Remember, it is a nail polish color. So that is that for today. It's a very simple custom I wanted to share with you, and I'm going to upload another video later on this week, and I have to decide which car will be next. So in the meantime, I hope everyone will have a pleasant week. Stay safe, and I will see you soon. Take care and bye bye.